Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Once again I got a new interesting topic, coordinate geometry. It determines or it indicates the coordinates of the place or location. For example, I want to travel from here to London. The pilot want to know the directions, he want to know the magnitude, location. So then he uses the Cartesian plane coordinates. So this chapter mainly is used to locate the places or location. Coming to the coordinate geometry, it was invented by the famous mathematician René Descartes. In his name, to honor Descartes only, this plane they have given the name as Cartesian plane. So this graph can be called as Cartesian. The basics total we can cover within few minutes so that you can understand how to plot the points, how to locate the points on axis also. What is axis? Madam is saying axis. What is axis? Here I have drawn two lines for you. Two lines. One is drawn horizontally, one is drawn vertically. Can you say me students what is the line drawn horizontally known as? What is the name?
X-axis.
X-axis. Yes, correct. The line which is drawn vertically known as? Y-axis. Very good. So here the point of intersection of two lines is called as origin. Origin is denoted with the letter O. The point is 0, 0. This is called Cartesian plane, and in this graph we are having four parts. Each part is called as quadrants. This location, this region we are going to call it as Q1. The symbols are positive, comma, positive. First symbol is denoting the x value, the value located on the x-axis. Second symbol is denoting the value which is located on the y-axis. So this is called quadrant 1. Coming to the next one, quadrant 2, Q2. In anti-clockwise direction you want to name the quadrants. Q1, Q2. Next to the third one will be Q3. Fourth one, Q4. Let's check out first symbols, then after we can take some examples. Lively you can understand how to plot the points. Q2, coming here, the point will be in the form of, see what is the symbol located in the x-axis? Minus. So first will be minus. Here it is positive, so the value will be positive. The point will be located in the form of minus, comma, plus. Third one, it is quite opposite to the quadrant 1 to remember as a simple basic logic. So it will be minus, comma, minus. Or you can check axis, x-axis value as the symbol first one, y-axis value symbol as the second one. So here Q4 we are having, Q4 value is positive, comma, negative. So what we are having here? We are having 4. Can you say me students? Wait, 3, 4 will come. In which quadrant 3, 4 will come?
First quadrant.
First quadrant. Very good. So 3, 4. Whenever we are taking one point, 3, 4. Can you say me what is the first value called as? Abscissa. So the first value 3 denotes x value or x coordinate. The another name for x coordinate is called as abscissa. Second value what we are going to denote?
Ordinate.
Ordinate. So second value we are going to denote as
Ordinate.
ordinate or y coordinate. So first of all you understand whenever any point we are taking, the first value will be denoted which is located on the horizontal line called as x-axis. The second value which we are denoting, it will be located on the vertical line which is called as the y-axis. Now we are going to plot the point 3, 4. So first 3 will be on which axis? X-axis. 3, 4. So the point is 3, 4. Next, what is the second point? Minus 5, minus 7. So it will locate on which coordinate? Quadrant 3. Very good. So minus 5, check it out on the x-axis. Minus 5, minus 7 on the y-axis. Minus 5, minus 7. Joined it. So this is the point minus 5 comma minus 7. Now 6 comma minus 2. It is located in which quadrant? Quadrant
Four.
4. Very good. So 6 on the x-axis, minus 2 on the y-axis. So this is the point which is located in the fourth quadrant. Next point minus 3 comma 2. Second quadrant. Very good. So minus 3 I should take on the y-axis or on the x-axis. First
X-axis.
value minus 3 I should take on the x-axis or the y-axis.
X-axis.
X-axis. Very good. So minus 3 I am taking on the x-axis. Plus 2 I am taking on the y-axis. So the point will be minus 3 comma 2. Up to here you are having no doubt because every point will be in the 4 quadrants only. But when the point is on the x-axis or y-axis, then only you get confusion. That how we can know? Whenever you are seeing 0 in x place, then the value will be on the y-axis. The point will be on the y-axis. Whenever you are seeing 0 in the x place, then the value will be located on the y-axis. Blindly, which value is absent, the point will locate on the next axis. So 7 comma 0 will be located on x-axis because they don't have y values or ordinate value. Next 0 comma 5, it locates on y-axis or x-axis? Y-axis. Very good. So 0 comma 5 is locating on the y-axis. So here you should remember only one logic. Whenever you are taking any point, so the first value we are going to call as x value or the point located on the x-axis. Second one located on the y-axis. Got it? So lastly, I want to say you two important points. Equation of x-axis, opposite axis you take as 0. X is there. So answer will be y is equals to 0. Statement. Equation of x-axis, y is equals to 0. In the same way, equation of y-axis, answer will be opposite x is equals to
0.
Thank you, students.